So now we have our users, and we are going to make it so that we can see the user's profiles. So we'll be able to click on a user and see his own page. For this, we're going back to the user's controller, and we're going to create a show action. As well, we're going to set the user for the show action. So here we are creating a show view. And in our routes, we are also going to add show available. Okay, show is already available. So we're going to add a link. We're going to our user code, and here we'll add a link. Link to user email, user path, user. Let's see how it works. So here we can see the personal page of a user, but it's empty. Let's just add the code that we've got. So we're going to render the code. Let's take the show, and we will render users user. Let's see how it works. There is no such variable, so we must add user user. Let's try once again, or maybe vice versa. Yeah, it works. So when we press a user, we'll go to his personal page, but we still see that we're using IDs instead of friendly IDs in our users. We are going to change that. So we're going to our user model. We're going to models, user RB. Let's see how we made it for courses, how we added friendly ID. So extend friendly ID. And here we are going to also add friendly ID somewhere lower. And it's actually going to be a friendly ID by email. So we're going to undefined method slug. Yeah, because we need to migrate the slugs to users. So the way we did for courses, let's see how we did it. There's our database. So migrations. Here we added just fields, and here we added slug to courses. We're going to do the same for our users. So here I opened the documentation of friendly ID. We're going to make a migration, add slug to users. Here it is. Let's switch the things that we're not using off. Okay, RakeDB migrate. Migrated. Here is our user. So let's refresh. Here are our users, and to save all our users so that we use the friendly ID, they're also first going to our users controller. So users controller, and we're going to find by friendly ID. So friendly dot find like this, and we're going to go to the console and find each user and save. So it works now, and we're going to the console. So Rails console. So we added friendly ID to users. Let's refresh once again, and we see that we have the user with the slug as his email. So we go to another user, and we see his email is as his address in the application. Looks good.